Hey Pokemon trainers! Paradox Pokemon are coming to Pokemon GO, teased an epic 9th anniversary artwork. Is this the biggest update yet? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's dive into these wild Pokemon GO hints. Pokemon GO's 9th anniversary artwork by Yusuke Kozaki dropped on X, hinting at Paradox Pokemon like Great Tusk and Iron Treads hitting the game soon. With teases for Gigantamax, Butterfree, and more, the AR game's about to level up. Ready for the details? Keep watching! Introduced in Pokemon Scarlet and Violet, Paradox Pokemon are past or future versions of classics, like Donphan's ancient Great Tusk or futuristic Iron Treads. Spotted in GO's anniversary art, they're set to shake up your mon-catching adventures. With Pokemon Legends, ZA focusing on older Pokemon like Z-Guard's 50% form, also teased, a new event might drop alongside its October release. The artwork also shows a thumbs-up character near Metagross, possibly hinting at remote trading or new emotes. Fans are buzzing. Gigantamax Butterfree's appearance suggests it's finally coming to GO. Expect more news at this month's Pokemon Presents. Plus, Niantic's $3.5 billion sale to Scopely won't add intrusive ads, and double daily remote raids keep the game thriving. Pokemon GO's 9th year is huge, bringing Paradox Pokemon and potential Gigantamax battles to your phone. These updates keep the AR game fresh, blending nostalgia with Scarlet and Violet's bold new mons. With Niantic's team promising no disruptions post-sale, trainers have a lot to be excited about. Is GO still your go-to mobile game? Pokemon GO's next chapter starts soon, with Paradox Pokemon and more likely hitting after the Pokemon Presents. Grab your phone and get ready to hunt Great Tusk and Iron Treads. What's your dream Paradox Pokemon to catch? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Pokemon GO's Paradox Pokemon tease. Are you hyped for Great Tusk or hoping for remote trading? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.